students. In this class I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus 13th chapter surface area and volume. Already I have completed 5 exercises. This is the 6th exercise. Third sum I will continue in this class. A soft drink is available in 2 packs. A tin with a rectangular base of length 5 cm and width 4 cm having a height of 15 cm. And a plastic cylinder with circular base diameter 7 cm and height 10 cm. Which container has greater capacity and by how much? So, 2 different packs are available. So, the first one is a tin with a rectangular base. A tin with a rectangular base. So, the tin is like this. So, we will get a rectangular base here. Like this we will get. Okay. Rectangular base of length. So, for this length is given as 5 cm. Width is nothing but the breadth. That is given as 4 cm. And height is given as 15 cm. So, these 3 measurements are given. So, since it is a rectangular base, it is nothing but a cuboidal shape. So, we will find the volume of the given container. So, volume is equal to LBH. Since it is a cuboidal shape, it is length, breadth and height. So, length is 5, breadth is 4 and height is 15. So, 15 into 4 is 20, 20 into 15 is 300 centimeter cube. 300 centimeter cube. So, which the question given is which container has greater capacity? This is a soft drink. So, it will be in liquid measures. So, we will convert this centimeter cube. This is given in volume. We will convert that to the capacity measures, that is in liters we will convert. Okay. So, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Okay. So, this one is given as 300 centimeter cube. So, capacity is equal to 300 by 1000, that is equal to 0.3 liters. So, this is the capacity of this rectangular shape of the container. Rectangular shaped container. Rectangular base container. So, for this rectangular base container. So, for this the capacity is 0.3 liters. Now, this is the first one. Then the second one is a plastic cylinder with circular base. So, the second one is the shape of that soft drink bottle is in a shape of a cylinder with a base diameter 7 cm. So, base diameter for this is given as 7 cm and height is given as 10 cm. So, height is given as 10 cm. So, height is equal to 10 cm and diameter is equal to 7 cm. So, that is therefore radius is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. So, since it is a cylinder, volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r squared h. So, 22 by 7 into radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height is 10 centimeter. Okay. So, 7 will get cancelled. 2 11 times, then 2 5 times. So, 11 sevens are 11 into 7 into 5. So, 11 sevens are 77, 77 into 5. So, 7 5s are 35, 3, 35 plus 3, 38. So, 385 centimeter cube. Okay. So, this is the volume. So, capacity is equal to 385 by 1000. That is equal to 0.385 liters. Which container has greater capacity? So, we have found the capacity of the rectangular base container and the circular base container. Now, we have to compare which has the greater capacity and by how much. So here this one is 0.300 and this one is that is for the rectangular base capacity is 0.300. For the circular base capacity it is 0.385. So the container with the circular base has the greater capacity. Okay, 0.385 is greater than 0.300. Therefore, circular base container has greater capacity and it was asked by how much. So the by how much is we have to subtract. So 0.385 minus 0.300. So the answer is 0.085 liters is greater. 0.085 liters is the difference between both the base containers. Okay. Next sum is, if the lateral surface of a cylinder is 94.2 centimeter squared and its height is 5 centimeter, then find radius of its base and its volume. Use pi is equal to 3.14. So given is LSA of cylinder, lateral surface area of cylinder is equal to 94.2. Then height is equal to 5 centimeter. These are the two things given. Okay, so what is LSA of cylinder? LSA of cylinder is if you take a cylinder, this is the lateral surface area. Okay, that is the curved circular part. That is the lateral surface area of the cylinder. So we know that 2 pi RH is the formula for lateral surface area. So 2 pi RH is equal to 94.2. Okay, in this we will substitute height also. So height is given. From this we will find the radius. So 2 into pi value we are asked to substitute 3.14. Into radius we are asked to find, we don't know. Then r into height is given as 5 centimeter is equal to 94.2. So r is equal to 94.2 divided by all these things, these three terms has to come down. So 2 into 3.14 into 5. Okay, so 5 2s are 10, 94.2 divided by 3.14 into 10. So 3.14 into 10 is 31.4. 3.14 into 10. So we get 94.2 divided by 31.4. After one decimal places it has to move. So 31.4. So how many times it will go? 31.4. 2 times. 2 times if we check. 4 2s are 8. 3 times we will check. I think 3 times it will go. 4 3s are 12. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 9. 94.2. So 31.4 into 3 will be 91.4. So radius is equal to 3 centimeter. Radius of its base. Therefore, radius of the base is 3 centimeter. Radius of the base is 3 centimeter. Then we are asked to find the volume. So volume is equal to pi r squared h. So pi is 3.14 into radius is 3. So 3 into 3 into height is given as 5 centimeter. So if we multiply everything, we will get the answer for the volume. So 3.14 into 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So 314 into 45. So 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7, 5 3s are 15, 4 4s are 16, 5 12. So 0, 3, 1, 4, 1. So it will be 141.30. 141.30. Since it is given in centimeter, since it is volume, it is 141.30 centimeter cube. Here we are asked to take pi value as 3.14. If it is not mentioned anything, any pi value can be taken. That is either 22/7 or 3.14. But if there is any specification, we have to use that only. For our convenience only, it is given like that. Okay. So with this, I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.